Oh, this is Russell Smith with Computer Science 2100. I'm going to be explaining the code I wrote for problem 2.4. So in this problem, D1 is to basically do the same as problem 2.3, but using recursion. You can see here the recursion inside of the main function here. So this function is going to be taking three inputs: balance, annual interest rate, and epsilon. Set the epsilon to 0.01 like you asked. And then the recursion starts here. Oops, sorry. So here's the helper function, the recursion function that's going to be calling itself. Then the rest of it is fairly straightforward. It's pretty much like problem set 2.3. And we have a monthly payment, same as before. Remaining balance is going to be pulled from the balance whenever we do our loop down here. This loop is going to run 12 times. There's 12 months in a year. We're subtracting the monthly payment from the remaining balance and then adding the interest rate after we do that. And here's where we're going to check if it's close enough to epsilon, which we set right here. And if it is, we're returning that. If it's not, then we're going to do one of two things. If the balance is over epsilon and still positive, we're going to return a new lower bound. If it's negative, we'll return a new upper bound. And down here is where we're going to calculate the monthly interest rate, because we are only given an annual interest rate of 0.18. Divide that by 12, you get your monthly interest rate. The lower bound is the balance divided by 12. The upper bound is the monthly payment if you added up all the interest in the total of the year. And here's where we set our test. You asked us to do $5,000 credit card balance with an annual interest rate of 18%. And then we're going to print whatever the function returns right here. So thanks for listening to me explain my code. Again, this is Russell Smith. Thank you.